Hi everybody, hope you're doing well. Today I want to talk about the top 5 things I wish to know before starting an Amazon business. So stay tuned for that. Number 1, Amazon will be always on the side of the customer. And it's a good reason why this. It's because it's their customer, it's not yours. You're only allowed to sell to their customer, and that's it. You're the seller. You don't own the customer, you don't own nothing, you don't own the platform, you only sell to them. And they will always be on their side. So keep in mind that because any issue will happen, anything will happen, and Amazon will always favor the customer unless something crazy like you ship the item and on the tracking number you show ship it and receive it, and the customer will claim that didn't receive it. On that thing, Amazon will do the reset, and if they find out that actually they received the item, they will be on your side actually, and they will remove negative feedback or whatever. But for the majority of things, try to do your best to do your best customer service, to try to do your best delivery service, so will be no any issue with the customer and keep their customer happy, because again, it's their customer, is not yours. Number 2, again, the customer. Customers sometimes are unreasonable. They, on the minimum bad experience they will receive from, they will have purchasing on Amazon, or especially from private seller like us. Any minimum bad experience, they'll give you a bad review. And actually getting a bad review, it's extremely easy. They will do everything they possible if they're not happy to give it to you a bad review. But to receive a good review, actually it's extremely hard. They will have to have an extremely well experience with you in order for them to give you a good review. Or even if the parcel sometimes delayed only one day from the actual delivery date what was showing on the purchase time, anything can happen. And during the shipping, they'll be unhappy. I mean, I don't say every single one, but the majority of the people that buy on Amazon, they're really unreasonable. I mean, this is I think a very big thing I wish I would know before starting, and to try to do the best what you can about customer service, about shipping again. And yeah, keep in mind that to get a good review will be extremely hard. They'll have to have an extremely perfect experience in order for them to give you a good review. But on the flip side, they'll rush to give you a bad review. So keep in mind that it's a very important thing. I wish I would know that. I don't see too many people talk about. I don't know why. The number 3 thing I wish I would know before I will start on Amazon: customer return their items for any reason possible. It doesn't matter the reason. If it's defective, well, if it's defective, it's okay. But if only they don't like it, if minimum thing it's happening, like it's the box is scratched or something, they return the item. And this will eat your profit. I mean, even FBA, if you ship the inventory to Amazon, which I already made a video about how to ship inventory to Amazon. If you're interested, I will link it up here somewhere. Even FBA inventory, they will ship back, they will eat your profit, because Amazon, first of all, because obviously those people will open sometime, most of the time they will open the item and they watch it. If they don't like it, they return it. Amazon, they're not gonna ship it and they're not gonna sell it anymore, because they'll say it's unsellable, only because the box is open. For them it's unsellable, that's it. And you have to take all of your inventory from the warehouses. You have to ship it to your houses, that again costs money, and you have to sell it as FBM, like fulfilled by merchant. So, and it'll be slower. The selling will be slow. And yeah, one thing I wish I will know, and this thing that's return, it's actually kill your business very hard. So try to do your best to whenever you have a stock, or whenever you have items, to try to be the most descriptive as possible, or the most accurate as possible about that item. Even what I do, it's retail arbitrage, so the most of the listing they're ready made, so only I have to find the product to match that list. I have also a video about that, which I'll link it here or in the description down below if you want to see it, how I source inventory. And yeah, this is the number 3. The third thing I wish I would know before starting actually the business. The fourth thing I wish I would know, it's Amazon will charge you taxes. That's right, taxes. It seems crazy, but they will do. You will be charged 15% for any sale you make of the final price. Let's say for something you sell it for £100, they'll charge you £15 for that. It's how their platform works, it's their fee. But on top of those 15%, they'll charge you another 20% of this 15%, which is from this £15, they'll charge you an extra 20%, there will be taxes. So it'll be like an extra £3, it'll be taxes. But you have to break down the actual sale. When you make the sale and you see it, when you break down what the fee is about that sale, they'll show you taxes. Even on their shipping, they'll charge you shipping if there is a FBA product and they ship it for you. Whatever they charge it to ship that product to the customer, they'll charge you another 20% on top of that. And the funny thing is that Amazon don't pay taxes and they charge you taxes. That's why it's kind of a reason why it's probably one of the biggest company on the planet. But wherever, we are not here to judge Amazon what they do. They give us an opportunity to sell, to make some money. So it's one thing I wish I will know. And also for you guys, you want to keep in mind that wherever they charge you, there will be an extra 20% on top of that. They charge taxes. I think you can deduct it at the end of the year on those taxes from your taxes, because you already paid. You can deduct this, and yeah, it's the fourth thing I wish I would know before starting the business actually. So I could be more precise on my calculation, I could be more accurate on when I buy. I will know exactly how much will cost me that product to sell, and probably I will do different things. But yeah, it's good to know now. Better later than ever. And the fifth thing and final I wish I would know before starting the business was making a mistake will cost you money. It will cost you a lot of money. And this is a general advice from me. I mean, in any business, like anything you're starting new and you don't have experience, you'll make mistakes. Doesn't matter what is it, regardless. It's a business, you're starting a new sport, you're starting a new project, or wherever, you'll make mistakes. But the problem on Amazon, it costs you money. And if you don't have kind of a enough capital to spend, and to have enough margin, I mean to have enough error room to make some mistake and to keep your business afloat, you're not gonna make it. I mean, that's why people starting, and also myself, I start part-time, like working and doing online businesses. So I make a lot of mistakes, but I have some money coming in from my job, so it was not gonna be a big of a problem for that. But if you focusing full time to making a living from Amazon, you have to have enough experience. You have to know the mistakes you'll make. You have to have the capital for this mistake to cover them. And yeah, pretty much it. Those are the 5 things I wish I would know before starting the business. And keep in mind very carefully, this is very important things, and can double your business or can destroy your business. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you get some value out of these videos. If you like it, please leave a like, subscribe, and also if you have some question, let them in the comment down below. I'll answer them. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.